Hello, awesome people. Welcome back to my another vlog. In this vlog, we are going to unbox one more goodie which I received the day before yesterday, which is by the Tracetest team. So recently, I got a chance to record a podcast with one of the developer advocate from the Tracetest. It is also part of the Keep Shop, right? And I had a great discussion with the Adnan Rahik and shared a lot of tips and about the developer relations roles and what they're exactly doing in the trust test, what the future goals, everything. So I am going to share the links of the podcast that I had with him, so you can check out the check out the podcast. There's a video and audio both versions are available for you to check out and get some interesting insight from them. Meanwhile, let's unbox it. And while I'm unboxing it, I'm also going to tell you some of the things about the test test. Okay. So here is the parcel that I received from the Tracetest team. So thank you so much, Tracetest team, for sending it. Meanwhile, I'm just opening this one. I'll share more about the Tracetest. So Tracetest is basically a part of the Cube Shop, and as I said, I had a great discussion with the developer advocate Adnan. So you can definitely check out that podcast as well. And basically, it used the observability-driven development to build the end-to-end test 98% faster with the open telemetry and trace-based testings, right? And the best part is that it works with the all the existing open telemetry systems, right? And also you can also, if you have the other systems, like, so you can also natively integrate with the all the other tools like Jagger, Datadog, Grafana, New Relic, Open Search, and many more, right? So I've used the Datadog, I've used the Grafana, I use New Relic for one of my project. So it's simply the best way to integrate and best way to make sure you test your application more than more faster way. So it has some of the best thing to also to deliver as well. So they have very good future goals what they're coming up with, and so they're going to come up with some good community programs as well. You can definitely check out the GitHub repo and other official documentation. So great opportunity to also be part of the one of the great open source project, right? Because I strongly promote the open source projects, and this was the recent graduate project from the cloud native landscape. So and recently we had a meetup last Sunday. I had a meetup of Cloud Native Foundation, one of the local group in Gandhinagar. So, and there I said about the lot of open source project and what are the ways you can contribute to open source, right? And what are the best way? I would not say the best way, but what are the quick way? And what are the things that you take care while doing it? Because everyone most struggling with the they don't have a time to do it. So I just told them or shared that the best tips to while you should not worry about the time, but how you can align the same thing in your day-to-day task or day-to-day responsibilities, and that's also way you can also contribute the any open source project that you willing to, and that maybe upscale your skills, that you maybe get a chance to taste some different flavors of the tools. So that is a good thing, right? So I'm also quite looking forward to check and know more about Trusted. And I also shared this project in my last meetup as well, because as I said, I love to talk about the open source project, and especially the projects who are really making making good sense, I would say, and making life easier, right? And that's what we want, and that's the reason we are building open source software. So I opened this one, yes, and there's a very beautiful T-shirt inside. Let me see if there is anything else they have. Okay, there is a test logo as well, which I've got. I'm going to put it on my laptop, right? And is there any else? No, then okay. So yes, so I got this beautiful sticker and this beautiful t-shirt, and I'm going to wear this in my next open source talk. So anywhere if I'm going to speak at any DevOps meetup or a conference or maybe a cloud native meetup or a conference which I'm going to near soon, because in a month I frequently I tend to speak 2 or 3 meetups. So I'm going to wear the t-shirt, and I'm going to share more about the Tracetest and how they can also use in their use cases, right? Every company has, every product has a use cases. I'm going to share that as well. Again, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out all the links about the Tracetest. It's a very good project to check out, and if you specifically if you're looking for to contribute to open source project, because so many people ask me, and so many people also recently commented on my YouTube that, hey, what is the best way? What are the projects that I can contribute? What are the ways I can find out? Right. So I'm going to share the one of the link as well where you can found where you can check the tons of open source projects that you can definitely contribute. And one of the project I already shared that you can definitely go and check out and start contributing the best possible way of the way you comfortable, maybe a documentation, maybe a testing, maybe a code based contribution, or any other way to do it. The most important that you should do it, right? And don't forget to share all the awesome things that you're doing it, because that's also most important, right? Again, thank you so much for Tracetest team for sending this amazing goodie, and the people who are listening to this one, keep contributing to open source, keep sharing all the amazing things you're doing it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my next content. Till then, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you very soon.